Hello everyone, it's me Akku from the channel Akku Study Diary. So, you might be thinking why I am on her channel. So, I am here because today we both are doing a study challenge in which we both will be studying without knowing how much the other person is studying. So, it will be like really very motivating and fun video. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. And yeah, now let's watch the Ashika's intro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Akku has already briefed you about the challenge. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and Akku's channel if you haven't already.
पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करने से पहले I came on a little walk with my mom because the weather outside was really nice, and I came home around 11:20, and then I started my first study session. I was also eating pasta while I was studying क्योंकि I did not get time to eat it alag se because there was just too much work to do today. It is literally going to be such a hectic day for me क्योंकि मेरे midterms are starting from Monday, so I have so much stuff to revise. Also guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already because I upload exclusive content over there. Anyways, after I was done with the first session, I skipped the break क्योंकि मेरे पास break लेने का बिल्कुल time नहीं है फिलहाल, and I thought I could focus for more than 25 minutes at once, so that is why I started another study session, and then I was practicing the questions. I was done with one chapter of AI, so I checked it off my to-do list, and then I started the next chapter. Monday को मेरा AI का ही midterm exam है, that is why I'm revising the entire AI syllabus today. And if you all want to study for long hours, then do not try to study continuously because that will probably end up in a bad burnout. You could also try to use the Pomodoro technique, which I am using, where you could start a 25-minute timer, and once that gets over, you can take a 5-minute break. If you don't feel like taking a break, then you can skip the break and do another 25-minute session and take a break after that. Anyway, so I was making मेरे first chapter के notes. ये सबसे easy chapter है AI का, and after I was done with that, I took a little dairy milk break.
So I just took a little break. I am on my third 25-minute session and like 10 minutes are left for the timer to be over. So I studied for 15 minutes and अभी मुझे cold भी है and I'm also feeling a little sick. But we still have to study. We have our exams from Monday, so obviously I have to study. So like AI syllabus update, I have revised one of the biggest chapters. Actually, I've revised two of the biggest chapters. Basically, in our AI exam, 3 chapters are coming for 40 marks and 3 chapters are coming for 10 marks. Yeah, 3 chapters are coming for just 10 marks. So like they're obviously my least priority right now. So abhi I've completed 2 of the 40 marks for the chapters and एक और बचा है, which is like the easiest one. So I think I'll be able to do that in the next 10 to 15 minutes. उसके बाद I'll practice this chapter के questions, which will probably take more 10 to 15 minutes. So I guess we'll have another one of these like 25-minute sessions, and after that we'll take a full proper break. So let's continue studying now.
इस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट करने के बाद मेरा 90% सिलेबस AI का रिवाइज हो जाएगा, एंड आई वॉज ऑल्सो मेकिंग माई नोट्स व्हाइल आई वॉज डूइंग इट. एंड ये चैप्टर मेरे प्रीवियस एग्जाम में आए थे, तो तब मैंने शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाए थे, सो आई वॉज रेफरिंग दो शॉर्ट नोट्स एज वेल व्हेन आई वॉज स्टडिंग दिस चैप्टर, क्योंकि उसमें मैंने सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें लिखी थी जो मतलब मेरे को रिवाइज करनी है. आई ऑल्सो रिकमेंड यू ऑल टू मेक सच शॉर्ट नोट्स बिकॉज यू कैन रिवाइज देम व्हेन यू आर इन योर बस, और you can revise them in the morning of the exam day. It's just a quick recall for you that like whatever you have learned previously, you know that your brain needs these active recalls so that it can remember the topics during the exam. Then I checked that off my to-do list. After that, I took a proper break where I was editing for another video. I mean, it was a short video which I have already uploaded on my channel.
Okay guys, so now I've taken a pretty long break and मैं AI पढ़ के पक चुकी हूँ. So we'll be doing maths. एंड मेरा लाइक जिस पर मंडे को जैसे आएगा एग्जाम है, उसके साथ मेरा मैथ्स का क्लास टेस्ट है जिसमें 5 चैप्टर्स आ रहे हैं मैथ्स के. यस, एंड मैंने फिलहाल अपनी टू डू लिस्ट में एक चैप्टर लिखा है आउट ऑफ द 5. या बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक आई गेट टाइम टू रिवाइज ऑल ऑफ इट. सो आई एम जस्ट रिवाइजिंग द चैप्टर जिसको मैंने अभी तक रिवाइज नहीं किया है, लाइक स्पेसिफिकली for the POV of my midterm exams, and that is linear equation in two
Now we are
variables.
doing maths. At Subha, my teacher shared the math blueprint, and we got to know that linear equation is coming for maximum marks in the exam. So that is why I was revising this topic once again. I had a lot of doubts in this topic previously. Like मेरे को graph वाले question मुझसे हो नहीं रहे थे, तो मैंने उनको भी revise किया. Like obviously I did not have a graph with me right now, but I read the solutions which were written in the book ताकि मेरे को वो समझ आ जाए. Whenever you are like re-revising a topic, always focus on the weaker sections and don't repeat everything which you already know. Instead, do the stuff जो तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें नहीं आता है अच्छे से. Once I was done with that, I ate my lunch. We basically had rice and chole. They were nice.
So now I've had my lunch and it's almost 4. I studied maths for 1 hour before my lunch and I had a lot of doubts. So I'll just get them cleared right now from my mom. And obviously I can't film that. So once I'm done with that, I'll get back to you all. I'm done with maths and मेरे को सारे doubts भी clear करवा लिए. Oh my god, finally. I think I'm done with that chapter. I practiced a lot of difficult questions and now I feel quite confident about it. Honestly, I want to practice more questions because it's fun, but I can't just do maths all day. So yeah, let's call it a day for maths.
Now it's 4:50 and I'll be doing another chapter of AI. This chapter is not available in physical form. That is why I'm studying it from the PDF which I found online. These are literally my favorite chapters to do because they are so basic and they're based on general knowledge. So you don't need to learn much. Like if you just read it once, that is enough and you will be able to write it in the exam. And by the way, ये chapter मेरे exam में सिर्फ 4 number का आ रहा है. Let me know in the comments when your midterms are starting because I'm thinking to make a video on presentation tips. So I would love to like give it to you all before your midterms start ताकि तुम्हारी help हो सके. So yeah, then basically I was just revising my PDF and I was also writing down the important points so that I can revise them in the bus later on क्योंकि मेरे पास इस book की physical copy तो है नहीं. And once I was done with that, I checked it off my to-do list. Now the next thing which we'll be doing is political parties. ये chapter मेरे को अच्छे से बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता है. That is why I'm doing it from scratch. So yeah, we're studying on my bed because मैं अपने टेबल पे पढ़ के बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो गई थी and my legs literally hurt from sitting in that same posture. So yeah, I just started to switch up the locations a little bit, but little did I know that this is not a good idea and I will end up feeling very sleepy. So मतलब मैंने यहाँ पर 20 मिनट इश पढ़ा, उसके बाद मुझसे पढ़ा नहीं गया.
I studied on my bed for 20 minutes और मुझसे बेड पे पढ़ा जा नहीं रहा है एंड ये चैप्टर मुझसे लर्न हो नहीं रहा है क्योंकि आई ऑलरेडी डन अ लॉट ऑफ रट्टा मारने वाली स्टफ पूरे दिन में एंड लाइक एसएसटी रट्टा मारना इज जस्ट सो मेरे को पॉलिटिकल साइंस का एक असाइनमेंट भी कंप्लीट करना है बट आई वांट टू डू दैट असाइनमेंट ऑन माय ओन विदाउट रेफरिंग टू गूगल ताकि मेरा चैप्टर एक बार अच्छे से रिवाइज हो जाए. बट अभी तक मुझे चैप्टर आता नहीं है हमसे. ठीक है, आई हैव डन इट but I don't know it well enough to write the answers. So I feel like I'll just watch a lecture on this chapter and I really hope that helps. भाई तो मेरी आंखें देख के लग रहा होगा कि मुझे नींद आ रही है and that is because मुझे नींद आ रही है. But will I sleep? Why? Because I have to study.
Anyway, so I clicked on the shortest lecture I could find on YouTube ताकि फटाफट मेरा ये चैप्टर रिवाइज हो जाए ताकि मैं अपनी असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट कर सकूँ because I have so much to do today that I don't have time to waste on watching long lectures. तो I was watching the lecture and मेरे को lecture देख के realize हुआ कि इसमें मुझे कुछ खास पता नहीं चल रहा है. So like बीच में I just switched to reading the NCERT on my own so that मेरे को एक deep understanding मिल सके क्योंकि considering मैंने एक छोटा lecture खोला था उसमें बस वो ऊपर से हर topic के बारे में बात कर रहे थे which is not enough for me.
मुझको ये चैप्टर पढ़ते हुए 1.5 घंटा हो चुका है एंड आई स्टिल हैव टू कंप्लीट ऑल ऑफ दिस पोर्शन एंड 1.5 घंटा पढ़ने के बाद भी मैंने पूरा वो पोर्शन कंप्लीट नहीं किया है. इट्स लिटरली 7:10 राइट नाउ एंड आई हैव दिस एंटायर असाइनमेंट ऑल्सो लेफ्ट टू कंप्लीट एंड मेरे टू डू लिस्ट में नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप भी है. दैट नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप इज लाइक द बिगेस्ट चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 10 एंड आई रियली डोंट थिंक आई विल बी एबल टू डू दैट राइट नाउ. So I feel like considering I've been doing this chapter since 1.5 घंटा and abhi tak I have a lot of portion left, I'll just leave this chapter over here and we will finish my assignment क्योंकि this is due on Monday, so assignment complete karna should be a priority right now.
So now I was just completing मेरा political science का assignment जो भी मुझसे खुद हो पा रहा था I was doing on my own and जो question मुझे नहीं आए उनके answers मैंने Google पर देखे but I made sure to learn whatever is written ताकि मेरा अच्छे से revise हो जाए topic and after I was done with that we ordered honey chili जिसका taste बहुत बेकार था and हमने बाहर से सब्जी भी मंगवाई थी which was very very yummy so I guess that makes up for it and then I went on a walk with my mom.
I'm finally done with all of this. तो मेरी असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट हो चुकी है एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई एम डन विद दैट. सो लेट अस जस्ट चेक दिस ऑफ आवर लिस्ट एंड अभी इट इज़ लाइक 8:46 and the challenge will end at 10, so we don't have a lot of time and we have a lot of tasks to complete. So अभी मेरी प्रायोरिटी पे रहेगा ये AI वाले टास्क क्योंकि मंडे को मेरा AI का एग्जाम है. And nationalism in Europe, I don't think we can do today. So let us see how much we can do in this 1.5 घंटा.
अब हम पढ़ने वाले हैं AI का एक और फुद्दू चैप्टर. Also guys, the video is almost about to end and make sure that you don't leave just yet because I have not revealed how much I have studied and I'm sure you would want to know who has won the challenge. Anyways, I was reading the NCERT का PDF. Once again, इस book की physical copy नहीं है हमारे पास and I was also making my short notes.
Guys, मेरी टीचर ने अभी अभी AI के एग्जाम का ब्लूप्रिंट भेजा है. So let us look at it together. So this is our blueprint and yeah, these are the chapters that I was talking about. ये सारे 10 marks के and ये सारे 40 marks के.
Here we are with our last study session and I was basically revising ये chapter. ये 17 marks का आएगा मेरे एग्जाम में इसीलिए I thought इसे वापस रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. वैसे तो I revised it yesterday only but I decided to practice the questions once again ताकि मेरा एक और बार रिविजन हो जाए इस चैप्टर का. वैसे भी AI is very simple and I've already revised the entire syllabus like twice in the previous week. So yeah, one quick revision is all I need to be confident with this.
So that is it for today's video. Okay, wait. I'm not going before revealing कि मैंने कितना पढ़ा, obviously. So I studied 8 hours today, and I'm honestly, personally very proud of that. I want you all to let me know if I did good or not. And also, guys, I don't know if I've won the challenge yet. So make sure that you go and watch Akko's video and see that how much she studied and then let me know in the comments who won the challenge. And yeah, let me know if you enjoyed it and if you want more such challenges because yeah, me and Akko can definitely do more collaborations. And let me know if you enjoyed it. Love you always. Do subscribe if you have not already and also follow me on Instagram because I post exclusive content over there. Bye bye.